I have SONY Xperia L3 and let me show you how to change a wallpaper on the following device. So at the very beginning, open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Here you should scroll down and pick display, and now go to wallpaper. And it's time to select the source that you would like to pick your wallpaper from, so it can be album, live wallpapers, photos, or Xperia Home. So let me pick, for example, live wallpapers. Okay, there's no live wallpapers, so maybe albums, app info. Okay, let's go back and okay, so actually we've got it. Let me pick, for example, this one. And now it's time to decide if you would like this picture to cover just your home screen, your lock screen, or both of them. So I will pick the third option. Now you can personalize it, you can change the size of this picture. It can be, for example, half of it, but let me leave it as it is, and then tap on done. And as you can see, now your brand new wallpaper is covering your home screen and also the lock screen. So that's it. Now you can change your wallpaper whenever you want to. Thanks for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.